If you want to check which devices are currently logged into your Facebook account, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is useful if you want to review your account security, spot unfamiliar logins, or simply make sure your Facebook is only active on devices you trust. Before we begin, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Facebook and go to the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile picture to open the main menu. From here, you'll see several account options. Next, click Settings and Privacy. This opens a sub-menu with more account controls. Now click Settings. This will take you into your Facebook settings area where you can manage privacy, security, and account preferences. Once you're in Settings, look for Account Center and click it. Account Center is where Meta groups together important account and security tools. Inside Account Center, find and click Password and Security. This section is where Facebook keeps your login and security-related options. Now scroll or look for Where you're logged in and click that option. This is the exact area that shows all recent and active sessions on your account. After that, select your Facebook account if you have more than one account connected. Facebook will then load a list of your logged-in devices and sessions. Here, you can view all logged-in devices, including the device type, approximate location, and when each session was active. Take a moment to review the list carefully. If you see a phone, tablet, or computer that you don't recognize, that could be a sign you should secure your account right away. This is one of the best ways to stay ahead of suspicious activity and keep control of your Facebook login. If everything looks familiar, then you're all set. You now know how to check Facebook login devices in just a few simple steps. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.